So this one goes out to Dalton, who suggested that in my next drawing video I draw a cat hugging a dog. And so I looked up on the internet pictures of cats hugging dogs, and I was surprised to find a whole bunch of them actually. And I did some practice to begin with. I'll just show you real quick here the ones that I made before this. This is the one I just made, which may or may not be included in this video. I don't know how I feel about it yet. This one here was pretty obviously an AI picture, like it wasn't a real photograph, but the drawing's kind of funny. I think I'm going to put that one up on the wall over there or back there somewhere. Then there's this guy, which I like. This drawing is not exactly a cat hugging a dog, but there's that one. Oh yeah, this one, which I like. Also is obviously an AI picture. That pose is kind of ridiculous. But anyways, now I'm going to attempt to draw this one. We'll see how that one works out. If it doesn't work out, I guess I can always record another video. I think I'm going to start out with the eyes, because that to me is like the most important part of this picture, those cat's eyes. So I better make sure to get them right. So far we got the elements of the cat's face on there. Now the doggy's head. It's a little puppy dog. The dog is asleep. A little doggy and a little kitty. Okay, wait a minute here. Gotta make sure I understand what's going on. The kitty is a little bit older than the doggy, but they both look like babies. A cat hugging a dog. There you go. There you go. There's your cat hugging a dog. That's for you, Dalton. Alright, let's see here. Here we have my two attempts at a cat hugging a dog. Which one do you think is better? I like this one. I don't know what I'm going to draw next. Maybe you can give me an idea, whoever you are. Make a comment and say you should draw this or that or whatever or the other thing. And hey, but maybe, just maybe I will. Maybe I will. And maybe I won't. I don't know, man. Sometimes when I'm done with the videos and I post them, and then I get like nice comments and like likes, you know, and views, and I'm like, oh, and actually, you know, I edit out all of the stuff that I don't like so much. So like then when I come to make another video, I'm just like, oh man, this is way more difficult than I remembered. It's like I already forgot how difficult it is, and I'm continually reminded that I really need to practice drawing more every day. All right, well, I guess I'll see you next time. I won't see you, but you'll see me.